Today, I'm going to show you two platforms that will help us make money. They will help interdependently. What does interdependent mean, you ask? It is when two entities or platforms depend on each other to function and produce results. Well, that's sort of the meaning to it, but my point is, today I'm going to show you two platforms that will work together in order for us to make money. It is just a simple 3-step process, I swear. Step 1 is when you download an image here on this platform. Step 2 is upload the said image here on this platform. Step 3 is for you to earn money from it. Imagine making money just by uploading certain pictures on this platform right here. Not to mention that this platform is free for all and available worldwide. Literally anyone from around the world can do this method, regardless if you have a smartphone or a personal computer. It will all work on both. This method, if done right, will be a life changer. This can literally lessen the financial burden that you have in your life right now. You can pay bills on time, spend time with your family more since you won't be working 24/7. By the way, you won't be needing any specific skills for this. You won't be needing a big social media following or engagement. You won't be selling anything either. All you have to do is follow the steps that I'll be showing you in this video.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
To start off, let's just go to upload.io. Basically, this is a platform that will pay you by sharing your files on their website, and once a client downloads the uploaded file, you will get paid. Not just once, but until the end of time. Literally. How? Because once you upload a file on this platform, your file will be there forever, and you will make money every time it is downloaded. Forever. You want proof that this method is legit? Let's go here to payment proofs to see all the happy users who are able to benefit from this platform. As you can see here, these are the payment proofs of this platform. Not yet convinced? Well, it's going to convince you once you will be the one who will make money using this method. By the way, this is still the first platform that I'm showing you. I will be providing you another platform where you will download all the needed files to upload on this website and make money off of. I also forgot to mention that this method is available in all types of devices. On your mobile phone or smartphones, you can download this application for free, so the more reasons to try out this really easy method. To proceed, we are now going to sign up to this platform and I will show you how. To do that, let's just click on here, Sign Up. After clicking that, you'll be redirected to their user registration form where you will provide them with the needed information for the successful registration, like your username, email, password, and payment information. Now this platform can pay you in many different methods, so here you just need to choose your preferred method of payment. After that, tick on this box right here to declare that you are not a robot trying to subscribe to their platform, but an actual human being just trying to make money. With all of that done, just click on this button to finalize your registration. Now, assuming that you have your own account, you will have your very own dashboard. On your dashboard, you will click this button in order to select and start uploading your files. The files which you think can make you money in the long run. I mean, you will absolutely get to upload an unlimited number of files for people to download for more chances of earning, right? In line with files to upload, I'll be introducing to you a platform that will give us free files to upload here on the first platform. You may have heard about this platform on some of my previous videos because, as you all know, this platform has been reliable ever since I can remember, and that platform is Pixabay.com. Before we proceed to explain what this platform does, let me remind you that this method can be done via mobile device or smartphone also. With that, just make sure to download the correct app so that you'll be able to start making money online immediately. Now, Pixabay is a platform that gives out free quality files. They have over 1 million royalty-free photos, illustrations, and vector graphics, and thousands of free video clips. All images and footage on Pixabay are released under Creative Commons, meaning this can be accessed by anyone and it is free for all. So that is the concept of this method. We will download files from Pixabay and upload them on upload.io, and that is going to make us a lot of money for a long time. But in order for us to truly make money, I'm going to show you the basic steps on how you can upload in order to earn money. Now I am on Pixabay, and let's search for this keyword, or any keyword in line with your preference. Then when we find the image that we want to share and upload to the first platform, we will just download it by clicking on this button. But to make sure that people will buy your files, you must select or choose high-quality photos to spark the interest of your target market. After you download your chosen image or images, you can now go back to the first platform and upload them there. Here's how. You just click this button and then select the downloaded photos. Easy as that. This is absolutely as simple as it gets. You just select photos that you think people will download, upload it on upload.io, and then make money online. Amazing! Overall, this is a really great method to be utilized by anyone. As you can see, it's totally easy and anyone can actually do it. Just make sure to follow the steps that I've been highlighting all throughout the video.
And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.